So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out Neakasa's M1 Catbox. Now this is a brand new item. Literally, we saw this at CES and they sent it to us so we can check it out and tell you our thoughts about it. This thing is open on the top. It still has a dome that rolls like most of the smart cat boxes, but because of its open top design, it's going to accommodate larger cats and also cats that have a problem with being enclosed. So some cats don't like those cat boxes because they don't want to go into a hole to use the restroom. So this is going to solve that problem as well. And on top of that, it can basically hands-free clean the cat box for up to 14 days, giving you basically peace of mind that your cat box is clean and also storing away the unwanted waste into the receptacle underneath for quite a long period of time. So let's open up this giant box, see what's inside, and talk a little bit more about it. So off the bat, the box is incredibly well protected. There's a heavy piece of like cardboard kind of shoved in there to kind of hold it in place, mold it in place. There's foam in the bottom of the box as well. And then we have the actual unit here, which is wrapped in a bag, all of which to keep it safe for transit. And it comes with 2 rolls of bag liners for the bottom of the tray, which is really nice. This is the power adapter. Power box, 2 plug, no ground. And then we get your automatic cat litter support legs. Okay. I think these are just going to pop right in. You have the manual. And then we have the ground tray. You actually have adhesive straps, so if you don't want this to scoot around anywhere as you're moving around, you can make sure you're sealed to the ground, which is nice. And then this is a large piece that was also in there that's kind of like a quick start guide. See your safety tips in here. For cats weighing less than 1 kilogram, pregnant cats, and nursing cats, set the device to kitten mode. Clean under supervision using the control buttons. So important about that. Do not press or rotate the chamber by hand. The M1 will return to default position when powered on. Do not drag the device to prevent damage to the weight sensor. Okay, and we recommend using clumping bentonite cat litter. On the back here, it does talk about setting it up, installing the support legs, expand the waste bin, set trash bag inside, draw string to the trash bag into the slot. Place the machine litter trapping mat, and then power it on. And then add cat litter. We recommend using clumping bentonite cat litter. Yep. And then you can actually do Wi-Fi connectivity and then use it with an app. So we'll go through all of that. It looks like you can't even do it wrong, so that's very good. This right here is the bottom of your tray, your litter tray. Now that we have those feet on, let me show you. The litter tray. So this is your litter tray. You can press it down to get the full size now that it's up. And then when you're setting up a cat bag, you place the bag inside. On the edges of it, and then take the drawstring and pull it through into here. And the reason you put the drawstring in there is that the whole time we want to keep this as clean smelling as possible for your pet owners. So what you do is having the drawstring in here is going to allow you to pull that drawstring and seal that bag without fully opening the compartment, without fully having to breathe in any cat feces or litter, and you just have this really kind of clean, sealed experience. And so that seal from that bucket, as well as the seal from the bag, is going to help keep that smell from moving around, which is really nice. You do have some control buttons here for on, off, clean, level, empty, and your Wi-Fi capabilities. But first and foremost, let's plug this thing in, let's fill it with litter, and let's show you how cats use it. We'll be right back. hopefully you guys found it interesting. Hopefully that works out with your cats as well. Like I said, it's great for larger cats, and it's really able to keep the house clean smelling. Actually, the cat did its business a couple times in there, and frankly, it is the best sealed cat box and automatic cat box that I've seen ever. So that's really awesome. Well, hopefully you guys like that. Hope you pick up yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.